Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today I will show you unboxing and review of this potato clock that I have purchased from Noon. Again, it is of 19 dirhams, and let's open this and see what we got inside. So this is the box that I got, and you have kind of copper and magnesium plates, and you can just try this experiment at your home. What it is showing that you can generate electricity by using apples, lemons, tomatoes, cold drinks. In this kit you are getting a digital clock with wires, then connecting wires, two pots, transparent tapes, copper and zinc strips. So we are getting all these things, and now let's open this and see what we have in actual. Okay, so we're getting one manual, a single page manual. It says we have one clock, one wire, transparent tapes, two cups, two copper board, two magnesium board, and in the kit we are really getting nothing so much. We are just getting this two cups, then we are getting so it is a digital clock, as you can see, and it has two connecting wires, and I think there is no switch for this. It's just a watch. And we are getting these things in this small bag. So we have tapes, then we are just getting two copper plates and two magnesium plates and only one wire. Okay, so you just need to connect like this. Take two potatoes, insert these two plates, and just connect with the wires of this and inside with this. That's pretty much for this potato clock kit. And for me, I would not recommend to buy this because it's very less items that you will get for this thing. But if you purchase same thing, similar kind of thing from like this and wo battery, you will get so many things, and you have like three rods for two different materials. So this is both are the same price, but this is better one compared to that potato clock. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If it is helpful, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman. Thank you.